Hey, it's Greg Berzinsky for Volt. Go to a lot of trouble to keep your hair styled, to keep your beard trimmed, but a lot of guys just don't think about grooming their eyebrows. And I'm here to show you how you can groom your eyebrows. It is pretty simple. You can do this with a trimmer. I prefer a scissor. Keep these things in your drawers. You can also use these on your nose hairs, but trimming your eyebrows, important. So if we zoom in here, you can actually see I have my eyebrows combed kind of tame, but if we let them go, my eyebrows are literally a couple of inches long. So let's bring some control into these woolly caterpillars that have perched on my forehead. Here we go. If you draw a line from the tip of your nose through your eyeball, you'll see that it aligns with what is the peak of your eyebrow. So what I want to do is I want to comb all of my hair forward from that line. I'm going to take the scissor, and I'm going to hold the hair in place there, and above my eyebrow, I'm just going to take that off. I'm going to take the eyebrows, and I'm going to comb from that point, combing them back to the side slightly on an upward angle. And with that in place, I'm going to draw a straight line from where the shortest hair where I cut at the top down to the hairs on the bottom. And I'm going to trim those off. That's it. It's that simple. Now this leaves me in this problem here. My one eyebrow is darker than the other. That's where Volt comes in here. What I love about Volt products is they are really great for sensitive skin. If you are allergic, this is not going to be an issue for most people. They are hypoallergenic, and so most people will not have any issue with the products. And just this little vial here. We're going to shake this well. Volt also has a clean and prep. This assures that there's no oil or debris in your eyebrows already. I'm using ebony, which is a brown black. So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to hold the brush and have it ready. I'm going to apply a little bit of color. You can see a huge difference here. So what I'm going to do is actually go into my light eyebrow now. So I just went in there, put a few strokes in. I'm going to comb my eyebrows down. So if you get too much color on, what you can do is with the Prep and Clean on the cotton ball, you could touch your eyebrow very lightly and it'll remove some of the color. It actually frames my eyes and I think brings attention to looking at my eyes. And it also stops the distance. When my eyebrows are light, they kind of blend into my skin, and then you read the distance from my eyelid to my forehead, big old forehead. Having my eyebrow somewhere in the middle of there cuts down my forehead height. So multiple reasons why I like having my eyebrows a little darker. And it's so easy to do that you could just do this every other day and be done with it. 2 snips on each eyebrow. You can really have this done in 30 seconds, in a minute. Do it once a week and do those eyebrows. Color them. In my case, I'm unifying the color. I'm also bringing definition. You're going to bring definition to your eyebrows. You're going to bring attention to your eyes by keeping your eyebrows groomed. You're going to bring definition again to your eyes by keeping them colored with the aid of Volt. And doing these things between the cut and the color, you're going to be able to face anything.